Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to use snipping tools in Windows 11. So here is my laptop, and then I'm using Windows 11, and then if you want to use the snipping tools provided by Windows, you can just search the software first. You can search it in the search column here and then type in snipping tool and you'll find it here. Just click on the app, but since I already added to my toolbar, I can find it here. So what you need to do to use it, if you want to capture a certain pic, you can just click on new snip, and then you can just do this, drag this into the rectangle shape, and here it is. The picture will be show up like this, and then when you want to save it, just right click on the picture and click save as, or you can also copy it and then paste it in other page. So you just can click new. You can also use this picture. You can use the freeform snip. You can also use the window snip. The whole window will be captured, and also full screen snip. I'm going to use this, so you can just do this. Okay, so it's so easy, right? Okay, so that is how you can use the snipping tool in Windows 11. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.